Some people love renovating and others hate it. Regardless of your preference, there's no denying that a well executed and impressive kitchen reno will increase the value of your home. I'm Karen Jones, your local real estate agent, and I'm excited to bring to you the first of my Reno series. Today I'll be taking you through one of my all-time favourite homes on the Sunshine Coast, at the beautiful beach house number 5 in Maroochydore. It's no secret that kitchens sell homes. As long as you don't overcapitalise and stick to your budget, allowing approximately 25% margin on expenses, kitchens can increase the value and make a huge difference when presenting your property for sale. Before we step into the kitchen, let's take a look at how it was before the renovation. It has taken a creative eye to see beyond the obvious and to create the perfect heart of the home. When renovating a kitchen, here are just a few things to consider. Cabinetry. Don't be afraid to mix and match complementary colours to add dimension and interest. Neutral colours appeal to a broader range of buyers and give a clean, crisp impression. You'll notice here the cabinetry goes right to the ceiling, creating more storage options and making the room appear larger. The island bench. Now this is a clever use of space, with the practical bench doubling as an area for food preparation, cooking, dishwashing, storage, chatting, and the all-important dining. And just look at all the storage underneath. The Hideaway Pantry. Nobody wants their mess on display. Take the time to plan a space to hide away all those useful appliances we only ever use once a year. It's the small things that count. Also take into consideration the lighting and the switches, the placement of power points, soft close drawers and handles, and so on. Everything you do will contribute to the overall feeling a potential buyer will have when considering your home for sale. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have picked up some kitchen ideas along the way. If you are thinking of selling and not sure if you need to renovate beforehand, please give me a call and I'm happy to chat through your options.